Hello, my name is Dr. Apollo. So today we'll be discussing segment of our discussion in IT management. So let me share now my screen. So let's talk about now flow charting. What is a flow charting? So flow charting, you can think of it as a direction that gives step by step until you reach the end. Flow chart. Huh? So flow chart is a visual representation of a process or algorithm. Algorithm is a process. Using standard symbols to depict operations, decisions, data flow, and more. Flowcharting helps understand complex processes, debug logic errors, and communication system. There is a day when the earlier in the earlier years of development of the programming, flowchart has been a useful tool for crafting a logic of the program because it shows the major flow. So this is a very useful graphic symbol. Okay? So we have like this one for Terminator. So start or end of the flowchart. This one, rectangle process. So represents a process or instruction. So this diagonal for decision represents a decision. Yes or no, true or false. No? This is a parallelepiped uh, rectangle for input and output indicates input or output. The arrow for shows of directions. So generate and test methods, problem solving strategy that involves generating possible solution, testing for each solution against goal or concept. So for example, here, these are the process. Huh? Generate candidate solutions, then test. Then solutions, is it valid? No. It will do something else. If yes, output solution, and just like that. Huh? So application, password cracking, AI search, problem, puzzle solving. In the backtracking, depth first search algorithm were partially solutions that fail constraint are abandoned. Example of this flowchart. So for example, CSS copy edit, we have to start, then make a choice, no? And then valid, if it is valid, yes or no? No, backtrack, try new choice. If yes, solution complete. No, if no, next step. If yes, auto solution. So that is our flow problem. Application solving Sudoku and Queen's problem constraint satisfaction. This one. So we have branch and bound method. So by definition, search algorithm for optimization problem that divides a problem into subproblem. Why? Because to make it easier. So branching eliminates suboptimal branches using bounds. So example, CSS copy edit start now, branch into problems. So then goes to evaluate bounds. Is promising? Yes. Continue. No. Prune. So if prune, then best solution found. So in yes, continue branching until output. Then application solving a traveling salesman problem, knapsack problem. So information flow in flowchart refers to the how the data control transition between steps. No? So a flowcharts, this one, okay? Arrow indicates sequence and dependencies. Decision influence, conditional branching. Data inputs output, mark interaction with user system. So this is it. No? Purpose, visualizing complex logic, benefits enhancing understanding of algorithms. Purpose of the benefits of flowchart, systems, process analysis and design. Aids in identifying inefficiencies or logic flaws. Training and communication improves stakeholder communication and onboarding. Documentation and debugging simplifies troubleshooting and maintenance. Example, software developers use flowchart in designing algorithms. Businesses use them for standard operating procedure. In production and operation, the best way to communicate in the line is through flowchart because people can understand the arrow, circle process, rectangle for the entities, like that one. Parallel pathway rectangle, input and output. Very simple. Very few R. Actually, it has been used in the business for a very long time before adapted to a computer. We have the application across fields with computer science, algorithm design, sorting search program, AI, problem solving method, operational research optimization problems, business process mapping. So that's the application of flowchart. Actually, for a discussion of an idea to give a direction, flowchart has been very useful for that end. No? Okay, I hope this gives you an idea what is flowchart. Again, in essence, flowchart is a giving direction, discuss the problem in a conceptual way before the uh, application. So program, big huge course of program is best easily discussed into flowchart. Okay, so we'll continue in the next section. Bye for now.